Hey everyone, Austin from MHD Tuning here. In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to set up and use our real-time tuning functionality. The first step is to head over to our GitHub page to download the required files. In this demonstration, I'm going to be downloading the entire GitHub repository as it contains many files tuners will need, such as original bins, XDF files, and the real-time tuning files. Once the download is complete, we will extract all the files and folders into a directory on our computer. Once extracted, we'll go inside the real-time tuning folder where we'll find 3 files. The first thing we're going to do is update the firmware on our MHD universal adapter to a special version that enables real-time tuning support. To do this, we'll connect our computer or phone to the MHD universal adapter's Wi-Fi network and browse to this address here. Next, we'll click Choose File and select the universal adapter firmware bin that we just downloaded. Finally, hit the Program button to begin flashing the universal adapter. Once completed, the adapter will restart, causing your device to disconnect from the wireless network. Reconnect to your universal adapter's Wi-Fi, and you'll notice that the name of the wireless network now begins with MHD RT. This is how you can quickly tell that the adapter's firmware has been updated and supports real-time tuning. Next, we'll need to copy the MHD DLL file that we downloaded earlier to the Tuner Pro RT folder. This folder is located at C, Program Files x86, and Tuner Pro RT. Paste the mhd.dll file into this folder and start Tuner Pro RT. Next, we need to configure Tuner Pro RT and prepare for tuning. Start by opening the bin file you'll be working from. This file should match what is currently flashed to the vehicle. Next, load the appropriate XDF file for the ROM. Then we'll want to load the ADX file we downloaded earlier. To do this, click Acquisition, select Load Definition File, and select the ADX file. Now we need to tell Tuner Pro to use the MHD plugin. Go to Tools, then Preferences. On the Data Acquisition and Emulation tab, make sure the MHD Data Acquisition is selected in the Acquisition dropdown. Also make sure the MHD Emulator interface is selected in the Emulation dropdown, and that Update Whole Tables is checked. Click OK, and at this point we're ready to connect to the vehicle and begin tuning. Begin the tuning process by clicking the Initialize Emulation Hardware button. Once connected, you'll see the vehicle's VIN number appear in the bottom status bar. Next, click the Verify Emulator RAM button. This will compare the loaded bin file with what's currently flashed to the vehicle. These checksums must match to continue. Next, we can click the Enable Live Tuning button, followed by the Acquire Data button, and the Enable Data Tracing button if you want cell tracing to be active inside of tables. At this point, we can open the tables we want to tune and begin making changes. For a quick demonstration, I will adjust the air-to-fuel ratio target for this cell. Once the change has been made to the table, you can send the change to the DME by clicking the Commit Changes and Upload button for the table. Upon clicking this button, you'll hear an audible beep and see an upload success notification in the bottom status bar. If you try to upload a table that is not supported by real-time tuning, you will receive an error message stating so, and the change will only be saved to the bin. Once tuning has been completed, save the bin in Tuner Pro and flash it to the vehicle. We hope that helps you get started, and stay tuned as we'll be adding more tables to real-time tuning, including our Advanced ReFlex port injection integration and our custom wastegate duty cycle table.